Differences in prices for digital avatars based on race, gender, and skin color are emerging among a popular collection of NFTs known as CryptoPunks. Female CryptoPunks and those with darker skin colorings tend to sell for less than avatars with male traits or fair skin. So I'm really glad to have two people here in studio who wrote about this. Ms. Elena Igafopoulou, Bloomberg personal finance reporter, and also Kayla Gardner, Bloomberg financial regulation and investment reporter. Take a look at their headline right there. They wrote about it, the disparities for Bloomberg. Thank you both for being here. Missy, I want to start with you first. Let's take a look at the tweet that actually, from what I understand, sparked your reporting on this. It's from Mike Novogratz. He wrote, there's a tweet right there. I'm bothered by the fact that black punks trade cheaper than white ones. I understand how markets work, but my hope is that the metaverse will be a better place, not one with the same prejudices we have in the real world. Call me naive, I guess. Talk to us about why that tweet really sparked an interest in you to dig into the story more.
Look, Mike Novogratz, he's a longtime crypto bull. He's been a sort of supporter of NFTs for a really long time, and his company, Galaxy Holdings, just a few weeks ago purchased its first CryptoPunk. And when they went and chose one from the 10,000 that are available right now, they picked a darker skin CryptoPunk. So he was someone who went for the darker skin. When we asked the company why they made that decision, they didn't really want to comment on why. But what we saw when he tweeted the price discrepancies was a fury of responses to that tweet and a massive debate sort of coming into play
about what were people saying
about what identity should look like in the metaverse. Who are you allowed to be? And why are sort of the prices of some assets lower than the prices of others? And I think in this case, what we found out was that it was based on who the people behind it were and who the people that were able to buy these investment vehicles were. And it was mostly white males.
And talk about, Kayla, I want you to jump in here, CryptoPunks, because I don't think a lot of people yet know what they are. Missy was just describing it. What are they and why are they so valuable to people?
I think CryptoPunks are one of the most popular and recognizable NFT projects on the market right now. And I think the best way to describe them are these pixelized cartoons or portraits of them. And people are buying them because they've really become a social status symbol in the crypto community. I think a lot of the people that we talked to said they bought it because they wanted to symbolize that they're a pioneer in the space, that they're a believer in the space. And that means either you got in early or you're willing to pay the price